Hi, my name is Sarai and I'm an admissions ambassador here at Grossmont College. Today I'll be showing you how to get your assessment results through WebAdvisor.
Type grossmont.edu to go to our webpage, then click on WebAdvisor. Click on Login. If you have any problems logging in, you may contact Admissions and Records. Once you log in successfully, click on the Students menu. Then under Academic Profile List, click on Assessment Placement Results. Select the college you took your assessment test in, then click Submit. On this page, you can see your assessment results for a specific subject. The results for English and Math usually take an hour or an hour and a half after you finish the test. And the results for ESL tests usually take 1 to 2 weeks after you complete the test.
And you're all done. If you did not get the information you were looking for in this video, please contact the Assessment Center. They'll be more than happy to assist you. All the information will be listed below in the description box. Have a good day.